Bright ideas and big dreams start here. Welcome to Learn Smart Kids.
Hey there, little farmers. Do you love animals? Guess what? There's a special surprise waiting at the end if you count all the animals with me. Shh! Ready to play and learn? Let's go.
Look, it's a big friendly cow. Moo! Can you moo like a cow? Let's say it together. One cow, moo. Oh, wow. Two fluffy sheep. Baa, baa, let's count. 1, 2. Can you baa louder than me? Baa. Splash! 3 silly pigs rolling in the mud. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Can you wiggle like a pig? Wiggle, wiggle. Quack, quack. 4 little ducks waddling around. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you waddle and quack? Quack. Whoa! 5 strong horses galloping fast. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you gallop like a horse? Look at those goats climbing high. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you climb like a goat? Baa, baa. Cluck, cluck. 7 chickens pecking grains. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can you flap like a chicken? Cluck, cluck. Bok, 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 bok. Cluck, cluck. 8 funny guinea fowls running around. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can you make a funny cluck sound like them? Cluck, cluck. Meow! 9 playful cats chasing butterflies. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can you pounce like a cat? Meow, meow, meow. Wow! 10 beautiful doves flying in the sky. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you flap your wings like the doves? Whoosh! Yay! We counted all the animals up to 10. But wait, did you find the hidden animal? Let's see if you're right. Surprise! It was the sneaky little mouse. Thanks for counting with me. See you next time for more farm fun. Bye-bye, kids.